What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is just gonna be a birthday haul. My birthday was on the 31st of October, which was Halloween, so it's like 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks past. Just this past Saturday I got 2 huge bags at my door from Boohoo. Somebody sent me 2 huge bags of clothes for my birthday. I still haven't opened any of them. They've just been sitting there since Saturday. Today is Wednesday. I just wanted to do a haul with them, so I didn't open them. So I have my scissors here and I'm gonna just go ahead now and cut the bags, and it'll probably be a little noisy cutting it, but I have no idea what's in these bags. Honestly, don't. I'll be just as surprised as you guys. I'll be seeing them for the first time with you guys. Before we go any further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, and while you're at it, turn your notification bell on so you know whenever I upload a video. So let's get into the bag. So the first thing I see is this, and it looks like a sweater as far as I can see. Oh, nice. It's kind of like a big oversized sweater. If you watched my winter spring cleaning video where I organize my stuff, you know I love sweaters. The second thing is a cute ass white sweater. It's a New York woman, London woman, Paris. New York, London, Paris, and it says woman on the back. Isn't this a cute size 8? And it's a little oversized, but I'll say this is nice. You don't want your clothes too tight, because in Boohoo I'd probably wear size 6. You wear 4 to 6. I love it. Again, it's oversized, and I love oversized sweaters. So it's a sweater, white sweater. There's nothing on the front, but the next thing here is, I don't know, it looks like a turtleneck. I'm just trying to figure out from inside the bag what it is, but oh yeah, it's a turtleneck. Oh, it's a crop turtleneck. Fashion WK, which is Fashion Week, I'm assuming. It's a high turtleneck, but it's rolled and I'm not gonna pull it down. But the front says, so I love this. This is cute. This is what I do is try to find pictures on Boohoo with a model wearing them, but that's cute. That's real nice and cute. Oh, it's a lot of things in this bag. I did not expect this for my birthday. Here next is a black t-shirt that says Calabasas. I've always wanted a Calabasas t-shirt. It's in US large and it's a little oversized, if you can see. Though it's winter time and you know people don't go for much t-shirts. I do wear my t-shirts. What I'll do, I wear like this t-shirt to like church, and I'll throw a jacket over it because it's thick enough. So I love this. It's just a plain black t-shirt with Calabasas. I gotta go a little faster. This bag has a lot. I didn't realize it was so much in this bag. Oh, the next thing I have, whoa, this is nice. It is a size 10. It could have been a little smaller. This is extra big, but it's a white t-shirt that says Paris. You can never go wrong with a white t-shirt. Regular white t-shirt. It's in size 10. The neck look a little wide for me. See, my neck is not that wide. The shoulders are wide. My shoulder is not that wide, but I'm still grateful. I love it. I love the pattern on it. I don't think t-shirts can ever be too big. I don't know. Maybe it can, depending on how big, but it's kind of like a couple of sizes big for me, and that's okay with me. Okay, the next thing is another white t-shirt, and it said make up your mind. I like this, and this is a perfect fit for me. You see this? It's gonna be a little roomy, but just enough room that I like to make me comfortable. It's just a plain white t-shirt, nothing on the back, and the front has a picture with a woman's face that says just make up your mind. I love that. You need to make up your mind. Just make up your mind. Another cropped sweater, beige, but this time this is not a turtleneck, and in the front it says to be unforgettable, and then it have like the meaning of unforgettable in it, if you can see right there, and it's cropped, so it's just this long. And again, I'll try to find pictures to insert. It's in size 12. It could be a little smaller, like 10. Oh, I didn't. It has this thing that can bring it together. See, I can pull that thing. It has that string on both sides to pull to snatch the bottom of it. So I love that. See, what I noticed with Boohoo, I bought clothes from Boohoo, and what I noticed, sometimes it's bigger, you put it on and it fits you perfect. So I don't know if it's just too much material they're using or then I have a light beige, dark beige, and cream sweater that says Chicago, and this one is in like size 14. So this one is huge. Look at the arm. I have big arms, and my arms are not this big. I'm pretty sure when I insert the picture with the model, they'll be wearing them oversized, because you can tell they're oversized. And this look feminine, so I don't think this was from the boys side, but I love that. Isn't that just the cutest thing? I can't get done. Am I ever gonna get done today? I'll probably have to make 2 videos from this. Oh my god. Oh, I got the Paris t-shirt again. So I got the Paris twice, but this time this is in a size 8. Okay, so the good thing is one is size 8 and one is size 10. What I will have to do is wear both of them. Okay. Ooh, I got another white t-shirt in size large. It's just a white t-shirt and it says honey on it. See, honey, that's all on it. White t-shirt. You can never go wrong with a white t-shirt, winter, summer, autumn, or spring, because in the summertime you just throw your t-shirt on by itself, and in the winter time you put a jacket on, put a blazer on, just make it work. And that's what I do. Ooh, I love this. My favorite color. This one is in my favorite color. It's l'amour. It is in size medium, and that's a perfect size for me. Ooh, and they have it just the way I would wear my t-shirt, with a sleeve rolled up. I love everything so far, to be honest with you. The only fault I found so far, some of them look too big, but I still didn't try them on, so I don't know if they're too big. This is large. Ooh. And this is a t-shirt with just a rose that says Wonder. It's a regular black t-shirt with a rose that says Wonder. That's it, and it's in large, and it can fit me, and it feels so soft. We have color. I love color, and I wear color all the time. Color doesn't have to be in the summertime for me. I wear color all the times. I love colors. Oh, this one said New York City, and it's an oversized sweater. This look like a male sweater, like it came from the male side, because I do that sometimes. I buy clothes from the male side. Like I said, I didn't buy these, but I'm trying to say I don't have a problem wearing a male sweater, because I do it all the times. I buy clothes, I buy sweaters, I buy joggers, I buy boy jeans all the time, so it doesn't matter. It's in New York City in bright yellow with black writing, New York City, and this is in large. I could have taken a small in this one, but it's oversized sweater, and it will look good with a tights, a jeans, or anything I put it on with. One thing my mom always tell me, and I realized that for myself, people always tell me, not just my mom, I realized for myself, I look good in everything that I put on, and that's just it. I'm not cocky. I'm not trying to be cocky or anything, but I guess I'm just confident, but I feel like I look good in everything that I put on. Gray t-shirt is extra large. It says California. This is a huge one. This is huge. This could fit my mom. I'll probably give my mom this. This is extra large. This is like a huge t-shirt. I think I could still wear it. It's Land of the Wild and Free. It's gray. It's cute. It has an eagle. Is that an eagle? It has an eagle on it. It's real cute, but I'll probably give this to my mom. But this is the kind of t-shirt you'd wear summertime with a tights and probably put a belt around it or something. This is the last thing in that one bag, and I still didn't open the second bag. So this is the last thing in that one bag. It's a black t-shirt. I have a lot of t-shirts. Soon you'll please their appetite. I like that. It's all black. And it's my size, just a regular medium, and it said soon you'll please their appetite. I love that. That's a nice t-shirt. I love that. Now we're gonna get into the second bag. Some other stuff's in there, but I know what I see, and I'm excited about what I see. Okay, there's another black t-shirt that said Woman Forever. This person probably think or know that I'm a feminist. It says Woman Forever, and it's a regular black t-shirt. It says Woman Forever, and it is in size large, but that doesn't bother me. It could be in medium, but that doesn't bother me. That just means I have a lot of nice big oversized t-shirt. And what I do when my t-shirts are too big, I kind of just gather them at the back a little and kind of fix them so you could never tell that they're too big. There's another one here. This is really light. It's a white t-shirt that says bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Regular white t-shirt in large, could be medium again, and it just says bonjour. Oh my god. It's another white t-shirt that says Find Your Fire, and it has a lip on it. Has a lip, and it says Find Your Fire. It's in medium, so that's the perfect size. I love this. New York 1996, Williamsburg, Brooklyn. And the size, I love the size. It's large, but oh, look at that. it is a nice sweatshirt that I could wear anywhere, and I love the color. I have nothing in this color, so I love this color, and it's so soft and light and nice. It's in large. So this is what as soon as I opened the bag, I saw this, and I just know that this is what I actually got for my birthday. This is actually the birthday gift. Those are just probably makeup, but this is the real birthday gift, and I know that it is a teddy coat. I've been looking for a teddy coat for so long, a nice teddy coat, and this is it. Look at it. Oh, that suits my complexion. I was telling you guys that in the winter time, this is how I dress. I'll put just a t-shirt on, and then I'll throw a coat on. So I always want to have a good, nice coat. So this person knew exactly what I wanted. So this is the actual birthday gift. It's a teddy coat, and I'll insert a picture of the model wearing it. I'll find it because I know them, and I'll insert a picture of the model wearing it. This teddy coat. It's long, so it's gonna like hit like my calf down below my knee, hit my calf. So it's a long teddy coat from Boohoo. It has button across the front, and the major thing for me is it has pocket. You cannot have a coat in the winter time without pocket. I don't want to wear no coat without pocket, because where am I gonna push my hand? I don't wear no gloves. I mean, I have gloves, but I'm not a glove person because I drive and I do all these things, and I'm always using my hands, so I don't want gloves. It says oversized teddy fur coat, camel, and it's in large, and it seemed like the perfect size. I wouldn't want a smaller size, because even if I put a sweater on and a tights or something, I would want my coat to fit over it. So yeah, this was the birthday gift, my teddy coat. So thank you for my bag. Thank you to whomever sent me that bag. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. People are always just sending me gifts. I got other gifts from my brother, my niece. I didn't know they were sending me. Man just knocked my door, and I get like something to sign for her. I'm like, what's this? I didn't order anything. Then I open the box, and it's gift, but it has a little note in it, like I know where it's from. My brother sent, my niece sent. Like, it's like people are always sending me nice things, so I guess I'm a nice person. So I hope you are a nice person too. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of like upper body picture, but I want to get into posting full body picture, especially when I'm wearing these things, so you guys can see how I wear them, because I don't always have people to take pictures for me. So most of my pictures, if not all, I'm the one who took them. I'm gonna work on using my camera timer to take my own pictures. So follow me on Instagram, and you may see how I style some of these throughout the winter time. And for the t-shirts, even in summertime, you'll see them, you'll know them when I wear them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.